We're here at ASUS where they sponsored this video, taking a look at a couple of world first monitors from their ROG team, starting of course with the ROG Swift OLED PG32 UCWM. Really rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? But don't worry about the name. What matters is the specs. It's a 31.5-inch 4K 240 Hz monitor that can also handle up to 480 Hz at 1080p. Okay, all of this we've seen before. It's Display HDR 400 True Black certified and reaches 1000 nits peak brightness. This we've seen too. So what's so special? This is the first tandem RGB stripe pixel OLED. And what that means is a couple of things. But to explain it, we've got to look a little closer. No, like way closer. Obviously that was a bit, because to see what's so exciting about this display, we've got to put it under the microscope. Traditional WOLED panels from LG had a white subpixel to go along with the RG and B. This helped to significantly boost brightness, but it did come at a cost of some color saturation. We've done away with that completely now. We're looking at a pure red, green, blue subpixel array, which is great for maintaining color saturation at very high brightnesses, and also great for maintaining outstanding clarity with text. So while it doesn't get brighter than last generation WOLEDs, it will appear more vibrant, with ASUS claiming that it has 27% more color volume. And being tandem OLED, we can expect it to last longer. Though of course, you do still want to take protective measures, which ASUS builds into their monitor in the form of refresher cycles, as well as their new upgraded proximity sensor. It's adjustable now, so for example, if you want it to be very sensitive and aggressively turn off when you're not in front of it, you can. Or if you know that you're going to be sitting in front of your gaming monitor for hours and hours at a time and you want no risk of it ever turning off, you can set it to be more sensitive. It's Dolby Vision certified, factory calibrated to a Delta E of less than 2, and has flagship connectivity. Actually, there's a lot more to love around the back too. Down here, we've got DisplayPort 2.1a UHBR20, which means a whopping 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth, HDMI 2.1, a USB-C input that handles 90 watts of charging, so you can use it as a single cable docking solution, a tripod threaded hole here in case you want to, mount your webcam, or realistically something a little more fancier than a webcam if you got one of these, and it's back, baby. Transparent tech, you gotta love to see it. That is an absolutely sick ID, and I can't tell if this is just like cool stamped metal so that it can look cool, or if this is anything to do with the upgraded cooling solution that's supposed to help with panel longevity. Either way, it looks freaking awesome. Now for world's first number 2, a monitor with a name that is comprehensible. This is the ASUS OLED XG259QWPG. No, so I was kidding about that part. No, it's world's first OLED Esports monitor, according to ASUS. So what exactly does that mean? It's tandem OLED, which means similar benefits to endurance as well as power efficiency from what we just saw, but this time with a more traditional RGB W subpixel layout. It's 24.5 inches, very toteable, 1080p, 540 Hz, and is Display HDR 600 True Black certified, reaching a peak brightness of 1700 nits. Okay, so what makes that esports? Well, it's got all the usual gaming features like quick swapping between your various color profiles. It supports ELMB black frame insertion to improve motion clarity. But really, if we're being real, it just comes down to the form factor and the performance. It's 540 Hz. It's still sample and hold. So if you saw our recent video looking at the Strix Scar 18, that thing is crazy. It has a mini LED backlight that pulses one row at a time to eliminate the flicker of full field black frame insertion. But being based on LCD, it can't get anywhere near the pixel response time of OLED, which ASUS rates on this display at 0.02 milliseconds. So it's really going to come down to your preference between the best display technologies today. Do you want something that really has like that low persistence look, or do you want something that has a purer image while still being susceptible to some of your in-eye motion blur? One technology I know I wouldn't prefer seeing them side by side is a TN panel. This is the world's fastest TN, running at 610 Hertz, but sure, it's up to you, and that's kind of ASUS's whole jam, is you want a monitor and they'll make it in whatever size, shape, and panel technology you want. If If you like this video, subscribe to Short Circuit.